Ready for adventure? Dive into the top day trips from Santiago de Compostela and explore beautiful landscapes, historic destinations, and outdoor activities. Rias Baixas. Boat tour with wine, seafood, and winery visit. In Oak Grove Town, a tranquil village ideal for relaxation and experiencing authentic Galician culture, visitors can immerse themselves in the countryside's serenity. Departure from here offers a serene escape from urbanization, allowing guests to enjoy leisurely breaks and savor traditional Galician cuisine. A stroll through the picturesque vineyards surrounding the town highlights the renowned Albarino grape variety, offering the chance to delve into its production process and sample 3 distinguished Rias Baixas wines under the guidance of knowledgeable hosts. The pilgrimage to the shrine of La Lanzada provides a profound spiritual experience, standing testament to the town's rich heritage dating back to the 9th century. A picturesque route leads across the Bay of Poyo, revealing breathtaking views of towering granaries, seaside residences, and the iconic cruceros, stone crosses unique to Galician architecture. Exploring the historic streets and squares of Oak Grove Town transports visitors back in time, showcasing a blend of cultural significance and natural beauty. Additionally, the island of Toja, known for its soap production and thermal springs, invites exploration of a unique ecosystem protected by the Red Natura 2000 initiative. Lastly, the charming old soap factory museum and the chapel adorned with seashells offer insights into Galician history and traditions. A cruise along the coastline allows visitors to witness firsthand the artisanal harvesting of mussels, oysters, and scallops, stopping at various waterholes to marvel at their pristine surroundings. To conclude, the evening's gastronomic treat features steaming mussels served alongside a selection of Condes de Albarino wines, complemented by a delightful shot of crema de orujo. This memorable night culminates in a celebration of Galician culinary delights amidst nature's splendor. Santiago de Compostela, Galicia and the Ribeira Sacra day trip. Embark on an extraordinary journey from Santiago de Compostela, where you will be immersed in the hidden treasures of Galicia. Your exhilarating tour commences at 8:00 a.m., offering a day brimming with natural marvels and cultural delights that will be indelibly etched in your memory. Go on board a luxurious catamaran, cruise along the tranquil Sil River. Witness the serene beauty of the surrounding landscapes, including rolling hills and vineyards mirrored in the water. Enjoy the gentle breeze while gazing at the picturesque view. This experience promises a profound connection with nature. Explore the enigmatic San Pedro de Rocas monastery, carved into the rock and perched atop a cliff. Experience the spiritual ambience that permeates the ancient monastery, and listen to tales of the monks who once inhabited its walls. Marvel at the remarkable architecture that has stood the test of time. Ascend to the SuiteTrails viewpoint for a breathtaking panorama of lush valleys and imposing mountains. Capture the panoramic vistas that appear surreal, leaving you in awe of nature's grandeur. Reflect on the vastness of the landscape and the majesty of creation. Discover the charming village of Alaris, known for its cobblestone streets, cozy squares, and medieval architecture. Immerse yourself in the local culture by exploring the quaint boutiques and indulging in Galician cuisine at welcoming eateries. Alaris will transport you to a world of enchantment. Do not miss this unique opportunity to uncover the authentic essence of Galicia in just one day. Our tour is meticulously designed to awaken your senses and create unforgettable memories. Book your spot now and prepare for a thrilling adventure that will introduce you to the most extraordinary corners of the region. We promise a day filled with wonders and magical moments that you will cherish forever. Santiago de Compostela, Finisterre, Muxia and Costa da Morte. Upon commencing the tour, begin by visiting Pontevedra, a charming village that serves as an essential destination for pilgrims traveling toward the end of the world. Marvel at its 14th century bridge, spanning the Tamber River, and observe the picturesque scenes of medieval mills nestled within the landscape. Proceed to the scenic coast of the Muros-Inoia estuary, where explore the historic town of Muros. Take a moment to appreciate the surrounding scenery. Subsequently traverse the coastline and revel in one of the most breathtaking vistas overlooking the coast of Carnota. En route, marvel at the stunning coastal landmarks including Lira, Carnota Beach, Boca do Rio, Mount Pindo, and Cape Finisterre. Continuing onward, reach Ezaro, known for its impressive waterfall formation, the Ezaro Waterfall, which stands out as one of the most renowned in Galicia and unique in continental Europe. From there, make your way to Cape Finisterre, commonly believed to mark the westernmost point in Europe. Enjoy this iconic location featuring the lighthouse and kilometer zero of the Camino de Santiago. Indulge in a leisurely lunch and engage in exploring the town's bustling fishing harbor during your free time. Resuming the itinerary, proceed to Muxia, where you'll be greeted by a magnificent sanctuary situated at the foot of the Atlantic Ocean. This site holds significance for the local inhabitants, with 3 stones regarded as sacred by the Galicians. Finally, conclude the tour with a visit to another significant landmark, the nearby city of Ferrol, offering a panoramic view of the Bay of Biscay. From Santiago, Finisterre, Muxia, and Costa da Morte day trip. Embark on an extraordinary journey through the heart of Galicia, exploring some of the region's most captivating destinations. Departing from Plaza Galicia at 9:00 a.m. Your itinerary begins with a visit to Pontevedra, a picturesque medieval bridge that serves as your gateway to the awe-inspiring Cabo Finisterre, the legendary endpoint of the Camino de Santiago. Upon arrival in Muxia, you'll find the sanctuary of the Virgin of the Boat, standing tall amidst the rugged coastline, offering insights into the spiritual heritage of pilgrims traversing the route over centuries. Following the serene waters of the sanctuary, you'll proceed to Cape Finisterre, also known by the ancient Romans as the end of the earth. This dramatic cliff-top vista offers panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, bathed in the eternal rhythm of nature. Afterward, enjoy a leisurely lunch before continuing onward to the enchanting Ezaro Valley. Here, you'll witness the breathtaking beauty of the Xalas River, Europe's sole waterfall located directly beneath the sea, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that will surely enthrall you. Next, we'll visit the renowned Hórreo de Carnota, a quintessential Galician structure showcasing one of the largest hórreos in the region. Curious minds might wonder why such a monumental construction was built. Perhaps it served as a storage facility for grain or other essential goods during times of scarcity. Regardless, this architectural marvel invites exploration and appreciation of the intricate craftsmanship and historical significance. As your day draws to a close, we'll conclude our tour with a visit to the charming town of Muros, renowned for its distinctive historic center and characteristic maritime archways, which captivate every visitor. Each step taken through these winding streets transports you back in time, revealing layers of cultural richness and architectural grandeur. This remarkable journey promises to provide an unparalleled sensory experience, blending natural splendor with historical intrigue and culinary delights. Join us on this memorable expedition designed to uncover the essence of Galicia's rich tapestry of culture, history, and gastronomy. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to immerse yourselves in the vibrant world of Galician heritage. Reserve your spot today and prepare for an unforgettable adventure in one of the most special corners of Galicia. Your journey awaits, and we're excited to share this momentous experience with you. Nenne. From Santiago, Christmas lights of Vigo and Pontevedra. Este tour ofrece una experiencia única para disfrutar de Vigo y Pontevedra durante las festividades navideñas. Aprenderás sobre los monumentos emblemáticos de Pontevedra, incluyendo la Plaza de España, el casco histórico, Santa María, y otros lugares históricos. Posteriormente, viajarás en barco desde Moaña hasta Vigo, cruzando la ría de Vigo entre Cangas y Moaña. Este viaje de 20 minutos proporciona vistas panorámicas impresionantes de las islas Chies y los polígonos de Baixas. La llegada a Vigo resulta particularmente especial debido a su belleza natural y el escape de los problemas de tráfico en la autopista. Los espectaculares diseños de luces navideñas de Vigo serán una experiencia memorable que no te permitirás dejar escapar. En el último punto de este tour, te trasladarás al mercado navideño de Vigo, donde encontrarás los espectaculares diseños de luces navideñas. Durante tus 3 horas en la zona, tendrás tiempo para explorar el mercado y disfrutar de la exquisita gastronomía galega. Finalmente, regresarás a Moaña en un autobús y tomarás el ferry de vuelta a Santiago de Compostela. Este tour te permite vivir momentos especiales y experiencias únicas mientras disfrutas de las maravillas navideñas de Vigo y Pontevedra. From Santiago, Ribeira Sacra Tour and Boat Trip. Upon pickup at the designated location in Santiago, our group will embark on an engaging journey through the scenic south region of Galicia. Our expert guide will lead us to the picturesque province of Ourense, where we'll commence our exploration of the Ribeira Sacra district. The initial phase of our tour commences with a thrilling excursion aboard a traditional boat along the renowned Sil River. Here, we'll have the opportunity to witness firsthand the iconic heroic viticulture, characterized by the lush vineyards surrounding the river's banks. This breathtaking vista promises an unforgettable panorama of serene landscapes, making every moment truly memorable. Continuing our adventure, we'll visit a site that stands out as one of the most captivating sights in the region, a panoramic viewpoint offering sweeping vistas of both the Sil River and its extensive vineyard terraces. From here, visitors can appreciate the grandeur of nature's bounty while taking in the stunning natural beauty of Ribeira Sacra. Following this, we'll reach the charming village of Rias, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Ribeira Sacra. At this enchanting destination, we'll have ample opportunities to savor the local cuisine at various acclaimed restaurants within the village. For lunch, guests will have the chance to relax and replenish their energy before embarking on another exciting segment of our tour. After a well-deserved break, we'll proceed to explore the imposing San Pedro de Rocas monastery. This architectural marvel, situated amidst its serene surroundings, offers a glimpse into the historical significance of Ribeira Sacra and its cultural richness. Throughout the entire tour, each element from the picturesque landscapes to the rich culinary experiences contributes to creating a truly exceptional and immersive journey. With these highlights, our clients can expect an unparalleled visit to Ribeira Sacra, ensuring they create lasting memories of this remarkable region. From Santiago, Finisterre, Muxia, and Costa da Morte Excursion. Upon arrival at Santiago de Compostela's hotel, commence your exploration of the Galician coastline. Your initial destination will be a traditional Galician village, where you'll proceed to ascend a Roman bridge to appreciate magnificent vistas over the river. Proceed to Muxia Lighthouse, renowned for its iconic sanctuary. Make your way to the summit of the lighthouse for a distinctive coastal experience. Subsequently, visit the region's foremost lighthouse, Finisterre. From this picturesque location, revel in panoramic views of what ancient Romans deemed the end of the world. For lunch, enjoy in the charming town of Finisterre. Following the meal, venture to the Isero waterfall, the singular cascading waterway that flows directly into the sea. Following the hike, explore Carnota, known for its largest horeo, an ancient granary suspended by columns, set amidst a picturesque landscape. Conclude your day by visiting the historic village of Muros, a traditional coastal community. Allocate leisurely time for a coffee, or a leisurely walk through the central square, before returning to Santiago de Compostela.